Hey guys, today for Monday's lesson, we're doing 8-6, which is the area of a rectangle, or multiplying length times width to find the area of a rectangle. So that's the most important thing to remember today. That the formula for area is length times width, and if it was a square, obviously it would be side times side because all sides are equal. There's a couple squares in there. First, we have some shout outs to give out. I think I owe one to Dylan. Shout out to Dylan. And Victoria, who was looking at the stars at night. The stars were amazing on Friday night. Okay, so the first example, I'm just going to show you a picture because they do have some pictures, but they're really easy to understand. So we just drew the fourths on top, and then we drew in my half. Okay, so I have 1/4 and 1/2. Now remember, the formula is length times width. So regardless, it's going to be 1/4 times 1/2. Okay, but let me show you what this really means. Here is, really this way is 1/2, and then 1/4 would be this piece. So the only piece that has both of them in it is this one. And you can see that's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our answer. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 2 is 8. So the picture is actually an easy way to find the answer rather quickly. But the most important thing is to remember that it is length times width to get your answer. All right, let's try another. I'll do another picture just because I think there's a couple of models in the worksheet. Let's try. We got 4, 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then I have 1/3, and that's going across. So 4, 6, and 1/3. Okay, so the ones that have both are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are shaded for both. So if it's length times width, it's going to be 4, 6 times 1/3, and it doesn't matter in which order you put it in. You could do 1/3 times 4, 6 because of the commutative property. 4 times 1 is 4, 6 times 3 is 18, and that's what you have. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 boxes. Okay? Of course, you could simplify that to 2/9 if you want. So real simple. Obviously, if it just asks you to find the area of a square, which I'll do now, they may only give you the area of a square. They may say, okay, here's the square, and you only know one side. Let's say that side is 3/8. Well, in the case of a square, if this side is 3/8, that means that all of the sides are 3/8. So you would do 3/8 times 3/8 because it's length times width. And 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 8 is 64. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. Really easy today. Nothing difficult. A couple of the word problems will challenge you a bit, and I think that they're simplified. Just don't stress any of that. Just give it your best shot. Thank you for those of you who've been doing it regularly, and if you need any help, post it on Google Classroom. We will talk to you this week.